You are welcome to once again for grade 12 accountancy class. So we are discussing on over subscription of shares. Two alternatives discussed. First alternative, second alternative. Okay, today we are going to discuss third alternative for over subscription of shares. So what is the meaning of over subscription of shares? So normally application of share is more than issued shares. Okay, so we are going to treat the accounting entries for the issue of shares. Okay, so as a third alternative, what is the meaning? A combination of first and second alternatives. So what is the first and second? First, you know, what is the first alternative? Rejection of applications, correct? That is our first alternative. So what is the meaning? For example, 70,000 shares applied, but actually how much are issued? 50,000 shares. Okay, so remaining 20,000 but totally refund. For the application money, whoever applied, we refund the money. That is the rejection of application. Okay, that is our first alternative. What is second alternative? That is partial. This is second one, correct? Partial or pro rata basis. Okay, pro rata basis. So whatever applied, we are not allotted all the shares. We are allotted as a pro rata basis. That's what discussed on the example, right? Second alternative. So what is the third alternative? The combination of both first alternative and the second alternatives. Okay, or may be adopted. That's what. Given what is the meaning that some applications are accepted in full. Okay, fully you can accept. Then next one, some applications are rejected. Okay, whatever the balance proportionate allotment is made to the remaining. So whatever the remaining available share, they are allotted as a proportionate. That's what three conditions here applied here. Whatever applied, we allotted fully. Then some shares were rejected. Third one, proportionate distribution of the shares. Okay, that's what our third alternative. Very important one. Okay, for this scenario, how to prepare the accounting entries for over subscription of shares. Okay. So actually, you know what is the application money received? See, for application money received, what is the entry? Bank account data to share application account. That is our first entry. Usually we will pass, correct? For application money received, bank account data to share application account. From the available application, as a excess application, okay, application money or allotted shares, okay. So only the whatever the issued money only we are transferred to share capital account. That's what share application account data to share capital account. Thereafter, any excess application money we can consider into two classification. One is the totally refund. Some portion of shares are going to refund. What is the entry? Share application account data to bank account. Okay, that's what refund entry. Discuss our second alternative. Suppose any refund, we want to pass reverse the entry. Okay, reverse the entry. Correct. This is the application received entry. This is the refund entry. Here share application credited. Here share application debited. Correct. Simple one. Share application account data to bank account. Then any adjustments. Suppose after the refund, again any excess application money are going to adjust where? Again share application account data to going to adjust share allotment account. After that, anything excess application money you can consider as two calls in advance account. Right. One is for the two entry. Excess application money, some portion you are refunded, returned back. Okay, that is the entry. Share application account data to bank account. This means what? You are rejected, refund the our share application money. Then anything after any excess share application money available, you can adjust it for share application account data to share allotment. Then thereafter, even after allotment, any application money excess are going to adjust to calls in advance account. Okay, I consider as calls in advance account. Whenever calls call, that excess application money you are going to utilize. That's what the arrangement here as a refund and adjustment. Okay. So we can combine for all the one entry. See, here also share application, then share application, share application. So what is a combined entry means? As a single entry, discuss all the adjustment. Whatever the share application money account here. Okay. Share application money here. Whatever this one. The share application money, what you receive, I am going to adjust one by one. as a share capital account, to share capital account. Here, to share capital account. Okay, this entry. Thereafter, any refund to bank. Thereafter, any share allotment and two calls in advance. Two shares allotment, two calls in advance account. That's all the combined entry. It's very important one. Instead of passing 1, 2, 3 entry, we're going to pass as a combined entry together, or single entry, as a share application money account. How we are going to adjust whatever allotted, we are going to transfer to share capital account. Any further obligation money here, some portion of money you are going to refund, rejected. So to bank account, thereafter any excess share obligation money, to shares allotment account. Then even further money available, we are utilized for calls. Okay, so here now itself I got money, so I consider two calls in advance account. Understood? That's why it is called combined entry. Okay, instead of 3 entry passed, you can make it single entry, combined entry together as a share application account data, to share capital account, then to bank account, then to shares allotment account, to calls in advance account. Okay, this to bank is what? Refund. Okay, these all adjustments. Okay, any application money, excess available. This water allotted transfer to share capital account. That's what we are going to consider the help of combined entry. Now we are going to see an illustration with the, how we are going to do the third alternative. Combination of first and second alternatives. Correct? Maybe adopted. So what is that? Maybe fully allotted, some shares were refunded, then any balance shares are doing for the proportionate allotment. Okay, that's what now going to, let's see one of the example now for the third alternative. Okay. Okay, now let's see the third alternative. How we are going to prepare with the help of an illustration. Okay. What is the third alternative? Combination of both. As here, rejection of application and partial or pro rata allotment. Okay, now see one example here. So K Company Limited, K and Co Limited, was registered with an authorized capital of how much? 10 lakhs. So divided into 1 lakh shares. How many shares? 1 lakh shares. This is the 10 rupees each. Nominal face value of the share. Each share is 10 rupees. So 1 lakh shares into 10. Totally, what is the authorized share capital? 10 lakhs. Okay. Now, the company offered how much? 60,000 shares. The company going to issue 60,000 shares to the public, on which the amount were payable on 2 per share on application. 2 rupees as application, then 4 per share on allotment. So what is the application? 2 rupees, allotment 4 rupees, total 6 rupees. So on the balance, what is the balance? 10 minus 6, so 4 rupees is the balance. The balance when required. So whenever required, they will call. Okay, that's what. So allotment and the balance when required. When the company requires the money, then they will call. Okay, that's 4 rupees. Now the discussion, application and allotment. Application money 2 rupees, allotment money 4 rupees. Okay, then thereafter applications for 92,000 shares were received. How much? 92,000 shares were received, on which the directors allotted as follows. Okay, so how the directors decided to do the calculation for the 92,000 shares. So applicants for 40,000 shares full. That means what? Whoever that 40,000 shares, they allotted fully how much? 40,000. Okay, 40,000. Then applicants for 50,000 shares, they allotted only 40%. That means what? As a 50,000 shares, 40% only allotted. Okay, so actually how much they allotted? See here, as a 50,000 into 40 by 100, how much? Allotted 20,000 shares only. The person applied for 50,000 shares, they allotted how much? 20,000 shares. So remaining the 30,000 application money, correct? Remaining 30,000 as application money, how we are going to utilize, that we'll discuss. You understood the second thing? What is third one? Applicants for 2,000 shares, nil. That means what? Totally refund. Okay. Now see the total. Here the total is how much actually, how many applications are received? 92,000 applications received. Correct. See here. See here tally. As here 40,000 shares allotted fully as a 40,000. Then whoever applicants for 50,000 shares, only 40%. So how much? Only 20,000. Then the remaining applicants for 2,000 shares, nil. That means refund. So here see the total application 60,000. Correct? That's what the company can plant, the 60,000 shares. The 60,000 shares, even though 92,000 shares, how we are going to do that 60,000 shares for the three combination. First combination, whatever allotted fully. Second one, proportionate allotment. Third one, some money refund. That's what three classification. Correct. Now let's see. 1,72,000 were realized on account of allotment money. Okay. That means excluding the amount carried from application money. So now we will go in the preparation of the journal entries understood. Okay. See here, as allotment money, how much we got it? 1,72,000 were realized on account of allotment money, excluding the amount carried from application money. So now what is the question? Show the journal entries recording the above. Okay. So here, how we are going to give the effect for all the three classification. As a 40,000 shares, they consider as a fully allotted. Order 50,000 apply, they allotted only 40%. Then there are the remaining 2,000 shares, they refunded. Okay, now let's see how we are going to prepare the journal entries. Okay. Okay, now see that illustration. Before that, we have to write some synopsis. Actually, what is the face value? 10 rupees, correct? You have to write in the books of Cake and Co Limited, then journal format, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. Okay, so as a date cover. So when now sometimes they given the date, you have to write the date. Okay, what is the face value of the share? 10 rupees. What is the application money? 2 rupees. Then allotment, 4 rupees. Then balance money, balance call money, balance call 4 rupees. Okay. So in our problem, we not mention the balance call. Discretion only for the application money, then share allotment. The excess application money, how we are going to adjust. So what is the classification they given? So here, see, as in the problem, how much they applied. Whoever applied 40,000 shares, we given fully. So whoever applied, we allotted entire 40,000. Okay. Then whoever applied 50,000 shares, we allotted only 40%, 20,000 shares. The remaining 30,000 are going to do discussion. Okay. The remaining 30,000 are going to see how we will give the effect. Then, whatever the 2,000, you are directly refunded. Okay. So we not even allotted the 2,000 shares. The entire 2,000 returned back, refunded. Now see the total, how much actually applied. Total applicant 92,000. Actual allotment, you know how much they have to issue, 60,000. Okay, so 2,000 refunded. First see the journal entries, how you have to do the effort under this information, based upon this available information. Okay, so as you know, first entry, what is the first entry? So bank account data. Okay, so bank account data, how much within the bracket, how much applied? 92,000. Okay, so 92,000 into application money, how much? 2 rupees. Okay, so 2 rupees. So what is the total value? 1,84,000. Okay, so 1,84,000 we received money. 3030, 2 4s are 4, 9 2s are 18. So how much money received in the form of share application? 1,84,000. So 2 share application account. Okay, 1,84,000. Narration. Being share application money received For how many shares? 92,000 shares. 92,000 shares at the rate of 2 each. Okay. So narration very important. So first entry is over. Now how we are going to adjust this exact 1,84,000 as a application money. Okay. Now see the second one. So now we are going to utilize how this share application money. So to share application account data. So earlier credited, now I am going to debit. First how much I am going to transfer? Here I put in the bracket again for understanding. 92,000 into 2, how much? 1,84,000. Okay. Now how much I am going to transfer to share capital? To share capital account, not this entire 92,000. That's how much you are issued, allotted. Only 60,000. Okay, the 60,000 are going to give you effect. So 60,000 only I am considered 2 rupees. Alright, so 1,20,000. Thereafter, we're going to refund how many shares? 2,000. Right? So go to bank account. To bank account. How much? 2,000 into 2 rupees. 4,000. Okay. So balance money. That's what this 30,000 excess received, correct? So to that money going to adjust what? To share allotment. To share allotment account. How much? 60,000. Okay. Now the question arises. How you will got the 60,000? Okay. Now see the working notes. Okay. As a working notes number 1, you have to write. So application money received. See application money. Okay. As application money received on money received. How many shares? Is 50,000 shares. 50,000 shares at the rate of 2 each. How much? You got 1 lakh. But how much you are allotted? That's what less. Less. Actually allotted money how much? You have to mention. Application money. Application money. Application money due on allotment. Okay, how much actually? Only this 20,000 only are allotted. So actually, how are we going to place 20,000 into 2 rupees, correct? So 40,000. So what is the balance? The balance 60,000. Okay, this balance 60,000. So what is it doing? That 60,000 excess application money, excess application money, excess application money adjusted towards share allotment. Okay, that's 60,000. This one. You understood? I will utilize as a 1,84,000 as a share application money received. Only 60,000 only issued. So transfer to that application money to share capital account. 1,20,000. How you got it? 60,000 into 2, 1,20,000. Thereafter, some shares you are refunded. You are not allotted. How much? The 2,000 shares. So to bank account. 2,000 into 2, 4,000. Remaining how much shares? That's what here. 30,000 shares. Correct? Allotted only 20,000. The 30,000 application money received na. The 30,000 into 2. That explanation 60,000. You can write this format also as a working note number 1. Working note Understood. Yes, application money received on 50,000 shares. How much? 50,000 shares at, here at 2 rupees. 2 each. Application money received on 50,000 shares at the rate of 2 rupees each, 1 lakh. Actually, how much allotted? Less. Application money due on allotment 20,000 into 2, 40,000. Okay. The balance 60,000. The exchange application money adjusted towards share allotment plus 60,000 mentioned here. Now we totally we also 1,84,000. We adjusted this manner. So some portion I transferred to share capital account. Some portion I refunded. Balance application money adjusted going to adjust to share allotment account. So understood the second entry. The second entry we are writing the working notes number 1. Then moving for the third entry. So what is the third entry? So what is the third entry? Share allotment money due. Okay. You have to write share allotment account. How much? 60,000 only. So 60,000 into how much? Allotment 2 rupees, correct? So allotment how much? 2,40,000 I supposed to receive. So share allotment account data 2,40,000 to share capital account. To share capital account. How much? 2,40,000. Okay. So narration being share allotment money due. Okay. This is called due entry. Suppose how much share allotment money I expect. I'm going to expect. That's what we want to show. Share allotment account data 2,40,000. How you got it 2,40,000? What are 60,000 shares issued at the rate of 4 rupees? 2,40,000 to share capital account 2,40,000. Narration being share allotment money due. Okay. Now they received the money. Share allotment money. What is the entry? Let's see now. Okay, so first, what is the entry? You know, bank account data, bank account data to share allotment account to share allotment account. Okay, now we want to know how much money. Even the problem itself, they given that 1,70,000 realized. Now going to check how they are calculated at 1,72,000. Okay. Now let's see working out number 2 based upon this. So always working out is very, very important. Explanation part is very important for accounting for issue of share capital. So more workings, always safer side that. So whatever amount you received, we have to give the explanation. Okay. That's why the explanation part is very important. Accounting for share capital. Okay. Now the working out number 2. What is the working out number 2? You are going to calculate how much exact share allotment money received. Okay. So in the problem they given, anyway they given 1,72,000. Now we are going to check how we will got that 1,72,000. Okay. So working out number 2. Now let's see calculation of amount. Calculation of share allotment. Calculation of amount received on allotment. We are going to calculate. Calculation of amount received on allotment. Okay. So we are going to do the discussion. First one, actually how much share allotment money due? 2,40,000. Okay. We have to write share allotment money, total share allotment money due. Total share allotment. Okay. Money due. How much? 2,40,000. Okay. But we already received that excess share application money. We are going to utilize for how much? 60,000. Consider as share allotment account. You understood the previous journal entry. Correct. So whatever share application money we transfer to share allotment, how much? The 60,000 balance after refund. The 60,000 now we are going to adjust now here. Okay. So less, you have to write less allotment. Less allotment money received on allotment money received. Okay. On application. On application stage. Okay. The 1,84,000 first entry processed a bank account return to share application money. That 1,84,000 already we got some portion of share allotment. How much? We are going to adjust 60,000. Okay. The 60,000 I am going to reduce now. Already we got it. Now what is the balance? 1,80,000. Okay. 1,80,000. Actually in our sum they given. Actually how much realization value? What is the amount? The amount allotment amount received. Allotment amount received. They said 1,72,000. In the problem itself they given. So 1,72,000. Okay. So what is that 8,000? That 8,000 is what? That is allotment money not received. Allotment money, yes. Allotment money not received. How many shares? If 8,000 divided by 4 rupees, so how many shares will get? On 2,000 shares. 2,000 shares at the rate of 4 each. Have you understood? That's what at 1,72,000 now we received. Bank account data 1,72,000. To share allotment account 1,72,000. Narration being share allotment money received. Okay. How much? Not 2,40,000. 1,72,000. How 1,72,000? That's what? We already received 60,000, even application money part itself. We adjust, already we received application money towards allotment. We adjusted. That's why given the total share allotment money due 2,40,000. So less allotment money received on application stage 60,000. So you're supposed to get how much? 1,80,000 as allotment due. But what happened? They received only 1,72,000. Reason began the allotment money not received for 2,000 shares. One of the 2,000 shareholders, they not even paid share allotment money 4 rupees. Naturally, 8,000 is due. So finally, how much we got it? So 1,80,000 minus 8,000, 1,72,000. That's what the problem they given. How much money realized? 1,72,000. So here we want to make working note 2. We want to show how I got it 1,72,000. The explanation is very, very important for giving that 1,72,000. Now you understood this problem exercise. Here, one more thing, balance call, here problem itself they not call. Suppose they given balance call, simply you can pass the entry. Okay. So whatever the given first call or even final call. So whatever call account data to share capital account, thereafter bank account data to share first and final call account. Okay. Again there any default is there. So in this problem, it's very important discussion. As a share application money, we are going to adjust as a share capital in full. Then thereafter any money refunded. Thereafter any proportionate money adjusted. Balance money, any balance share application money, you are going to adjust towards share allotment. That's what the explanation for this very important working notes number 2. Okay, you understood now this fourth entry, bank account data 1,72,000 to share allotment account. Okay, so I hope that you understood this third alternative. So third alternative is very important. So once you understood third alternative, first alternative, second alternative very easy. So first alternative very easy. Simply whatever applied, whatever issued, balance money or just return back, simple entries. Thereafter partial or pro rata allotment. That is, we have to allot in a shares, in a proportionately. For example, every 5 shares they applied, we want to allot only 3 shares. Okay, out of 5, only 3 shares. That combination. What is third one as a third alternative? Combination of first alternative and second alternative. Okay, if you are strong, how to preparation of the third alternative. Remaining 2 alternative very easy for you, you can do the problem. Okay, so I hope that you understood this version, especially for the third alternative, detailed discussion. So before that any problem, you have to write small synopsis for workings as a how much application, how much your allotment, any first call, second call, like this. This is the our face value. Okay, face value. Okay, if you write like this, you can do the work very easily. But then the working notes is very important. Wherever working note number 1. For example, this 1,72,000 you want to mention. How I got it? Working note 2. Here you want to mention like this. Okay, that is better. You can easily identify. With the help of working notes, we can easily write the answer very easily. Okay, that's a working note is very important. We practice. You want to know where are working notes like 1, 2 like this. You want to give the number, and accordingly you have to give working note number 2. Okay, the 60,000 that is working note number 1. So what is how much money you are adjusted for application money for allotment? Okay, I hope that you understood this illustration as this in the books of K and Com Limited. The format is very important. Then synopsis is very important. Then working notes is very important. Okay, now we are discussing for the over subscription. Okay, to understand the over subscription, what is the under subscription? Very simple, very easy. So only you have to more concentration over subscription. So under subscription, for example, 50,000 shares issued, but only 40,000 shares only people apply. So there is no confusion, no difficulty. You can easily calculate it. Okay, whatever issued, 50,000 shares, but received only 40,000 shares. Okay, so under subscription, not a bigger issue. But anyway, the over subscription of shares is a bigger issue. How anything over application of money, how we are going to adjust. That's a very important with the help of this exercise. I hope that you understood. Okay. So further discussion, we'll discuss details. Okay. Thank you very much.